Yo, YouTube, what's the deal? It's your boy Hemi Mar, back at it again with another video. But as you guys see, man, and in the title of the screen, we have a pretty big mod that I've been wanting for a very long time, and I basically came up on a good price on one from somebody on OfferUp that somebody sent me. Now I'm pretty damn happy to get this. I've been waiting for this for a really long time, as I said before. But let's go ahead and check out the product. Sheesh, man. So as you guys can see, we have a nice carbon fiber Hellcat hood. Whew, oh my god, I don't have no words, man. In the sun, this thing just reflects real good. Let me see if I can get a little closer for you guys so you can see like the weave and everything. So this is real carbon fiber on the top layer, and under it is supported by some fiberglass. Let me see if I can lift it up for you guys. I'm not gonna lie, this hood is pretty light, but man, I'm pretty much in love with this hood, man. This carbon fiber looks really good, especially in the sun. I'm gonna try to get out the shadow, but on the car, I think it's gonna look amazing. Hopefully it matches in with everything on the car. If not, worst case scenario, we just take the wrap off, because the hood, man, I think the hood is a bigger pointer than a fucking wrap, but I think it will go in all together. And as you guys can see, we got my beautiful girlfriend here that's gonna be helping me with the mods today. So let's get started with everything. So she's just moving the car right now to the middle. Woo. Need to back up a little more. Ooh, 85, cold. All right, good. All right, guys, so we pretty much got all the tools that we needed. Now, I didn't look up which size I needed for the bolts, but I just basically matched it up, and basically a 13 millimeter. Now, basically a 13 millimeter fitted on pretty good. As you guys can see, it's pretty snug fit. But as you guys can see, my ratchet is fucked up right now, so Russ is on his way with the new ratchet. But while we waiting for him, we might as well go ahead and get the hood off. All right, guys, so as you guys can see, we have the hood open now, and we have some room to work. But as you guys can see, I heard all it is just basically these 4 screws. So 1, 2, and then we have over here 3, 4, and that's pretty much all the screws we need to do to take off the hood. Now, I'm not too sure if there's any more steps to put on the hood, but we'll get to that soon. So let's get ready and get the hood taken off. All right, so as you guys can see, we have the black little panel from the stock hood off now. So this is what we need to take out, I guess. So let's go ahead and I guess we just pull it. I don't pull it too hard. All right, guys, so as you guys can see, we have the windshield wipers. What's that shit called? All right, so we basically got the fluid lines for the windshield wipers disconnected, as you guys can see. Now we need to find somewhere to put this, but for right now we can just set this to the side and get the hood back off again. All right, so as you guys can see, we have the carbon fiber hood and also the regular OEM camo hood. But as you guys can see, there's the difference between both of them. But now I'm ready to put this one on, so let's go ahead and get started with that. All right, guys, so as you guys can see, we got my guy Fast Life Russ here, man. Make sure to go leave him a sub on his channel, though. He helped me install the carbon fiber Hellcat hood. We had a little fitment issue, but right now I think we solved it. So let's give it out a little test. It sounds like it. Yo guys, so as you guys can see, the carbon fiber hood is now on the car and it's looking really great. Now, a couple issues with the hood, but I don't think it'll be too hard to solve the problem. So as you guys can see, there is a little space and it does wiggle just a little bit. Now for this, I believe I do need hood pins, so the hood pins connects to this and goes, I'm not too sure where it goes, but it goes somewhere in the front and it holds the hood down even more. That's probably the only issue that I have. Oh, and also the vents. I love the vents, but when it rains, I'm not too sure if I have to cover these up or not. So I will be finding out more information about that. Let me take you guys around the car so you guys can see how the carbon fiber looks. Man, if you ask me, I totally think the carbon fiber hood is worth it. Oh man, just look like a beauty to me. Let me try to get a little closer so you guys can see like the carbon fiber weave and everything, and how nice the carbon fiber is up close. Oh yeah, I'm really liking this hood. So as you guys can see in the sun, the hood, it really just exposes the carbon fiber a lot. I didn't really know if the carbon fiber is gonna go with the rest of the look, like the color and the camo and everything, but to me it seemed like it's fitting in pretty good. So I might add a little more carbon fiber. If you guys don't know, we can head to the back of the car. So as you guys can see back here, I was planning on in the future, I ended wanting to go with the diffuser, a carbon fiber diffuser with like the little lines here. I forgot what they call, but I wanted to go with that diffuser. It didn't add the 5-inch carbon tips, so that should add a lot more details to the car, and it should go in with the carbon fiber hood since we now have some carbon fiber. But as I said earlier, the hood doesn't go down all the way right now because we do need some hood pins. So as you guys can see with the hood pins, it will shut down the hood and close it more. And the fitting also might need to be adjusted just a little bit because we did eyeball it. We didn't do really too much measurements with the hood, so that might be one reason also. If you guys haven't answered the giveaway, be sure to do that right now. I will leave the video at the top of the description so you guys can see what's going on with the car and everything. But man, I can't stop looking at this carbon fiber. The carbon fiber looks so good. I love the Hellcat style hood. It looks amazing. It goes in with the car, blends in everything perfectly. But that's pretty much it for this video. I don't want to hold you guys too much longer. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy Mark, and I'm out.